Welcome to this Innotech product spotlight, where we'll be showcasing Innotech's acquisition and total optimization management software Atom for building services monitoring, analysis and billing. Atom may be integrated into numerous building types such as education facilities with single or multiple campuses, shopping centres, hospitals or commercial departments large or small. Atom is a complete solution for building owners, facility managers, consulting engineers and education facilities, requiring minimal upkeep and maintenance, making it not just a solution for sustainability reporting, but a true long-term sustainable solution. Atom allows comprehensive monitoring, analysis and billing of various building services, including electrical metering, water metering, thermal and gas metering, as well as an up-to-date cumulative carbon footprint based on your electrical and gas usage. The flexibility of Atom even allows the reporting of people traffic counters. We will begin the tour at Atom's homepage. The homepage provides a totalization of all primary meters, giving a complete overview of the site or campus. At a glance, you have available the actual usage including energy and direct carbon footprint for the building services. We can view the current health and size of the database as well as server applications by clicking the Database Information button. Comprehensive help is built into Atom, which can be accessed by clicking the Help button on each report or information page. By selecting Analysis from the toolbar, we can view a summary report for the configured services. This report is quite unique as it is a combination of live and historic data, indicating usage over time, configurable targets, and forecasts. Forecasts are derived from historic usage trends and time remaining for the period indicated, and are coloured to provide the operator quick visual reference when values are under target or begin to approach or exceed the targets. Green values are below the configured target. If the value approaches the target, the values change to orange. Any red values indicate that the forecasted value may exceed the target. If the actual usage exceeds the target, an email, SMS or pop-up alarm may be activated to one or multiple personnel or tenants directly. Tenants or meters may be grouped for faster evaluation and analysis. This is helpful when analysing individual buildings within a campus or for retail outlets connected to a head office. Meter values may be converted to display between gigajoules, carbon emissions, or the default kilowatt-hour reading for electrical. The carbon multipliers for electrical and gas are adjustable to accommodate the state or country where Atom is being used. If a high-level interface, or HLI, via protocols such as BACnet is available for a particular smart meter, the HLI icon is present next to the tenant name. These smart meters allow quick reference and analysis of real-time and historic trends. The yellow information icon indicates that this is a primary meter, which are totalised on the home page and used for the total energy and carbon calculations for the site. Clicking the HLI icon displays comprehensive data for the selected meter. For this example, we have selected a BACnet over IP electrical smart meter. Numerous data points are available for this type of device, in addition to viewing real-time and historic trend data. The option to print analysis reports is also possible when the print icon appears. A print preview is displayed prior to printing the report. Accessing the usage trend graph displays historical data in a quick-to-view format. The tenant usage data is displayed as shaded areas of consumption for each hour of the day, allowing the operator to quickly identify any anomalies that may require further investigation via the many features built into Atom. You have the option to set the maximum scale value by clicking the Set Max Value button. For this example, I will set the scale value to 50, representing the highest value for our analysis. After clicking the Update button, the trend is updated with this change. This is useful when analysing the data, as your graph increments and colours do not dramatically change. The data may be scrolled to identify a change in usage, usage outside normal hours of operation, or if any data loss has occurred. This process makes Atom a simple and quick way to determine whether the system has any issues without filtering through complex databases or the user having to create spreadsheets. Values indicating the actual usage may be overlaid on the trend by clicking the numeric value button. For this example, we can see missing data between 2 PM on the 30th of the 4th and 9 AM on the 1st of the 5th. We can then investigate this issue for the selected meter and see if the data is available on the device or controller to fill in the missing data. This can often arise when network maintenance or computer-related issues occur. As the chiller only runs during occupied periods, we have zero readings in the graph. Clicking the Remove Zero Value button displays the graph without zero values. A larger view of the trend can be obtained by clicking the Zoom button and then scrolled for analysis. The darker shaded areas clearly indicate high usage periods, providing a quick analysis tool. Any issues indicated via the usage trend or to analyse historical data for any tenant can be easily accomplished via the historic reports. The ambient conditions may be displayed for comparison. We can navigate to the previous and next months using the navigation buttons. This enables quick comparisons between months. When the usage exceeds configured targets, the graph reflects this with visual indication. Comparing usage between tenants or the same tenant at a different time is achieved via the Compare reports. Select any two tenants and the required date range to begin the search. The report clearly shows the comparison as a graph and with the usage values. Clicking the Comparison Difference button provides a simple visual total for each tenant and the calculated difference for the period. Tenant billing may be generated as required for the available services, such as electrical, water, gas, thermal energy proportioning of electrical usage, and even hours run, complete with an activity statement. This feature requires the operator to log into the project. The thermal bill is proportioned accordingly with each tenant's thermal energy and electrical usage. Atom contains an audit trail that can be used to identify who has accessed and changed any settings. This is important when tuning a system and guaranteeing performance. In this example, we can see that we have had several failed attempts at logging into Atom. Any navigation parameters are also captured via the audit trail. The general settings data is used by a qualified Innotech representative when developing the required Atom parameters for your project. They will activate the services, then set up and validate the required meters, then customize tenant details during the installation and validation of Atom. The conversions data allows the Innotech representative to customize the values to accommodate the output from different manufacturers' meters. Backnet over IP smart meters are the most cost-effective solution when using Atom technology. However, Atom can support most industry standard protocols. The tenant's data provides access to the meter details and tenant contact information settings. The meter data allows your Innotech representative to alter targets, tariffs, and admin fees to suit individual needs of the administrator. These targets are initially supplied by the sustainability consultant and are then adjusted during the monthly tuning of the building. As you have seen, Atom is a complete, complex solution that accommodates a broad spectrum of users of different capabilities. Atom may be customized and tailored to a specific audience, such as scrolling screens with site-related pictures and calculations, useful for foyers in sustainable buildings, or simplified graphics for students in education facilities. Atom provides the ability to create virtual meters by adding or subtracting meters to create a new virtual primary or sub-meter. You have the ability to export the reports to a local formatted CSV file for further independent analysis, or distribute it to students for sustainability education. As Atom and Innotech software has no ongoing licensing fees, the only ongoing cost is the validation and preventative maintenance of the specific hardware and software to ensure the data is accurate and available when reporting is required. This makes Atom not only a solution for sustainability reporting, but a true sustainable solution. To learn more about Atom or any other Innotech products, please visit the Innotech website or contact your local Innotech representative.